What's up YouTube, Tommy here from Green Rhino. I've been documenting my journey on this channel from a part-time hustle as a machinist to operating a very successful cleaning company. My goal is to show you what I was looking for when I was starting out, sharing the cleaning solutions I use, the equipment, so I can help others thinking about getting into the cleaning industry. And maybe, just maybe, I'm gonna make that first step. It can change your life like it did me. Don't worry, industry, I'm not trying to be the know-it-all carpet cleaning, but I am trying to be an example of what could be. What's up, guys? Showed up for the first job for the day, and to move in. Customers just purchased the house, so we're gonna get it cleaned up for them. Sellers didn't leave this in too good a condition for them. So, we're gonna do some enzymes through here. Good vacuum, of course. So there's some spots throughout the house and a little bit of odor too. That pets definitely did their thing. This one isn't too bad. Odor is, but stain's not that bad. Staining throughout here. So what we're gonna do, let's go through here with my deodorizer. I'm gonna hit all these spots with the light. And then I'm gonna go ahead and add my peroxide-based solution to my pre-spray for any spots and stains, pet stains or anything, stuff like that, anything organic. And that'd be it. Looks like there's some bleach stains here. I already know to let the customer know that might not come up, but we'll be able to take care of most everything else in here from what I can see. So the pre-spray is going to take care of the actual stained, that lightning area where it illuminates there. Pre-spray is going to take care of that. It's actually the Oxio 2, or Go Oxy is what I'm using. It's a peroxide. If it doesn't get rid of it, then it's just color loss in the carpet. But a lot of times, as soon as you spray it, it'll disappear. If it doesn't, if you ever run across that, it's color loss. So just put in customers' notes next time. You don't have to go through here and do a whole enzyme again. But she does have pets too, so. All right, I'm gonna finish tracking this stuff down. as I come here, to film the CRV action. He's done. So this is a good thing about these CRV type machines, kind of rotating brushes. It pulls out what the vacuum can't. So you see there's a bunch of hair here. And this one did have a smell more than the other ones. So a lot of dog hair in here, and you can tell he kind of picked it off the ground, and yeah. So if your budget doesn't allow one of these type of machines yet, that's fine. Just how I work up to it, and just like I did. Real quick, guys, if you're thinking about getting into the carpet cleaning business, I do offer a step-by-step course. Down below all my videos, there's a link. Not just the technical side of it, but the business side of it. How to get those customers to call you. Also, the tools I love and use, down below also. Now back to the video. finished up. Customer was super happy. Smelled a lot better. That one room had really strong fur, pet hair odor. So what I did is just a double whammy on it. I did a post spray and I went ahead and raked that in. That's why that first room I showed didn't have the triangles in it. Yeah, so I raked that in so that way hopefully that smell doesn't come back. So all right, so she was super happy, left us a tip, so you know that's all good. See you in the next one.